Mistake proofing, commonly known by its Japanese term poka-yoke, is a quality management concept that focuses on preventing errors before they occur. Originating from the Toyota production system, poka-yoke is designed to eliminate defects by identifying potential mistakes and implementing simple, cost-effective mechanisms to avoid them. This approach has become a fundamental aspect of lean manufacturing, ensuring that products and processes meet high-quality standards while minimizing waste. The core principle of poka-yoke is to design systems and processes in a way that makes errors impossible or immediately detectable. This can involve physical changes, such as adding guides or jigs that ensure correct assembly, or using sensors and alarms that trigger when something is out of place. For example, modern cars often have seatbelt reminders that beep until the seatbelt is fastened, a clear example of mistake proofing in action. Poka-yoke methods are typically categorized into three main types: prevention, detection, and correction. Prevention-oriented poka-yoke aims to stop errors from happening in the first place by modifying processes or designing foolproof components. Detection-based systems identify mistakes as soon as they occur, allowing corrective action before further processing. Correction-based systems automatically adjust processes to correct identified errors, minimizing downtime and rework. Implementing poka-yoke requires a systematic approach involving process analysis, risk identification, and creative problem-solving. Teams should start by mapping their processes and identifying where human errors are most likely to occur. Once these potential failure points are recognized, the next step is to brainstorm feasible mistake-proofing solutions that are practical and sustainable. Simple solutions are often the most effective, as they are easier to maintain and integrate into existing workflows. The benefits of poka-yoke extend beyond quality improvement. It leads to increased operational efficiency, reduced costs from rework and scrap, and enhanced customer satisfaction due to more reliable products and services. Additionally, it fosters a culture of continuous improvement, where employees actively seek ways to enhance processes and reduce errors. In conclusion, mistake-proofing through poka-yoke is a powerful strategy for achieving operational excellence. By proactively preventing errors, organizations can ensure consistent quality, streamline operations, and maintain a competitive edge in their industry. Adopting this mindset encourages innovation and reinforces a commitment to producing defect-free products and services, ultimately leading to long-term success.